Hey there, aspiring trainers. Welcome back to our YouTube video series on trainer guidelines. In this 15th episode, we're going to dive into the world of evaluation and assessment. Get ready to measure the effectiveness of your workshop and assess your participants' learning outcomes. Evaluation and assessment are crucial steps in the training process. They help you gauge the effectiveness of your workshop, identify areas for improvement, and determine if your participants have achieved the desired learning outcomes. Let's explore some practical examples, expert insights, and actionable tips to empower you as a trainer and ensure your workshops are impactful. 1. Pre- and post-assessments. Conduct pre- and post-assessments to measure participants' knowledge and skills before and after the workshop. This allows you to assess their learning growth and determine the impact of your training. 2. Surveys and feedback forms. Utilize surveys and feedback forms to gather participants' opinions and feedback on various aspects of the workshop. Ask specific questions about the content, delivery, and overall experience. This feedback can provide valuable insights and help you make improvements for future workshops. 3. Observations and checklists. Make observations during the workshop and use checklists to assess participants' engagement, participation, and application of knowledge and skills. Note their level of involvement, their ability to apply what they've learned, and any areas that need further development. 4. Group discussions and peer assessments. Encourage group discussions and peer assessments where participants can provide feedback and evaluate each other's work. This fosters collaboration, reflection, and self-assessment while also promoting a supportive learning environment. 5. Case studies and simulations. Incorporate case studies and simulations into your workshop to assess participants' ability to apply concepts and skills in real-world scenarios. These exercises provide practical opportunities for participants to demonstrate their learning and problem-solving abilities. 6. Online quizzes and assessments. Utilize online quizzes and assessments to gauge participants' understanding of the content. These can be implemented through learning management systems or online platforms, allowing for automated scoring and immediate feedback. 7. Follow-up evaluations. Conduct follow-up evaluations after the workshop to assess the long-term impact of the training. This can be done through surveys, interviews, or even tracking participants' progress over time. Follow-up evaluations help you measure the sustainability and effectiveness of your training. Remember, evaluation and assessment are essential to measure the effectiveness of your workshop and assess participants' learning outcomes. By conducting pre- and post-assessments, gathering feedback through surveys, utilizing observations and checklists, promoting group discussions and peer assessments, incorporating case studies and simulations, utilizing online quizzes and assessments, and conducting follow-up evaluations, you can ensure that your workshops are impactful and that your participants are achieving their learning goals. Thank you for joining me as we explored the world of evaluation and assessment. Stay tuned for the next episode.